Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a easy and simple eyeshadow makeup for beginners. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click the bell button below. So let's start. For my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm sorting it all over my eyelid. After I primed my eyelid, I'll be using this Careline eyeshadow palette in Dreamcatcher. So I'll be using a neutral color from this palette. Next is, I'm swiping this dark brown color on the outer corner of my eye. Blend in the colors to avoid the harshness. To line my upper lash line, I'll be using this Careline Drop Ink Liner. For my mascara, I'll be using this TB Advanced Lash Define Waterproof Mascara. Tightline my upper lash line, I'm going to use this from the same brand, EB Advanced Eye Define Waterproof Matte Eyeliner. And to open up my eyes, since I use black liner, I'll be using this BYS Kohl eyeliner pencil in Nude. Final look of my creation for easy and simple eyeshadow makeup for beginners. I hope you love it, and I wish I helped you out to do your own eyeshadow makeup. So, I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye!